welcome to MJ's World. Mom, will I think this how he's gonna fly?
I don't know.
Can I go this side?
Yep, we got them.
Wow. Can he come here?
Oh, he's coming close.
Can I give him a leaf?
When did we put him? We put him in.
No, can I hold him on my hand?
On your hand?
Yeah.
Do they bite?
No.
You can hold him on you if you want to.
He can't bite. Can you put it on Mommy's hand so he can...
No, I'm not putting on my hand. You want to hold him, you can.
Come on. Come.
Careful, don't. We'll have to find out what he is called. Right there, hold that. He might be scared.
He wants to come on my hand. Come on, Bucky. Bucky.
Oh my god!
Getting hair on your... on my hand. If this have told you, have to go on my hand.
Hello, Christmas beetle, where have you been? Crawling through the light around the leaves so green.
Did you feel fun when you put him on you?
They sparkle
Yeah.
and gleam.
Did it tickle?
No.
You're a holiday dream.
What are you going to do with him now?
I don't know.
You know, let him go? Should we put him on a leaf or something? Like maybe on that one down there?
I can't go down there. He's still going inside, but I don't know how he can...
You hum a little tune as you take to the air. With your tiny legs, you climb everywhere.